Anything to the 0 power is 1. But why? So you know 4 to the 5th is 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. 4 to the 5th divided by 4 to the 3rd, well, that's 4 to the 5 minus 3, as you know about division, which is 4 to the 2nd. It's just that that's the same as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 divided by 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 to the 3rd. And these all cancel out, and when they cancel out, they go into being ones. So it's like 4 times 4 times 1 times 1 times 1 over 1 times 1 times 1. Oh, come on, let's just look at this as 4 to the 2nd, because that's what it is. But what happens when it's 4 to the 3rd divided by 4 to the 3rd? By exponent rules, it's 4 to the 3 minus 3, which is 4 to the 0. But anything to the 0 power is 1, and here's why. That 4 times 4 times 4 over 4 times 4 times 4, as you know, these cancel, these cancel, these cancel, leaving you with 1 over 1, or basically just 1. So anything to the 0 power is 1. 4 to the 0 is 1. 3x plus 1 to the 0 is 1. 1.351 to the 0 power is 1. This trinomial to the 0 power is 1. It looks like they are degree symbols, but they're not. They're a 0 power. But if I say 4x to the 0 power, the 4 doesn't have the 0 power, just the x. So this was 1, so this is 4 times 1, which is 4. Just note, when I say anything to the 0 power is 1, I mean any non-zero number. Not any non-zero number to the 0 power is 1. But what is the deal with negative exponents? I mean, a negative exponent can happen. If you use your rules here, 4 to the 2nd over 4 to the 5th, you know by division, you do 4 to the 2 minus 5, and you end up with 4 to the negative 3. Yeah, that's a negative exponent. But that 4 squared over 4 to the 5th can be written in this way, and as you know, these cancel, leaving me with 1 over 4 to the 3rd. And this means the same thing. 4 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over 4 to the 3rd. So 7 to the negative 3 is 1 over 7 to the 3. Some people think of it as 7 to the 0 minus 3. It's the same as 7 to the negative 3. That's the same as saying 7 to the 0 over 7 to the 3, which is 1 over 7 to the 3. Because anything to the 0 power that's non-zero is 1. So I actually think as negative exponents as bringing them to the other side of the fraction. So this would be the same as 5 to the 2 over 1, or just 5 to the 2. Another way to think of that is as 1 over 5 to the negative 2, or make that 5 to the 0, because that's the same as 1, right? Over 5 to the negative 2, which is the same as 5 to the 0 minus negative 2, which is the same as 5 to the 2. Just another way to think of it.